Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best food processors that make chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing faster and easier in your kitchen. These food processors offer powerful motors, multiple attachments, and versatile features for everyday cooking. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper for slicing, shredding, mincing, and puree, 10 cups plus easy clean bowl scraper, black and stainless steel, 70730. The Hamilton Beach 70730 food processor is designed to simplify everyday meal prep with a practical 10-cup capacity and versatile processing functions. Built for slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing, it offers a balanced combination of capacity and ease of use for home kitchens. The 10-cup work bowl provides enough space to handle family-sized portions without being overly bulky on the countertop. This size works well for preparing vegetables for salads, shredding cheese, chopping onions, or making sauces and dips in larger batches. One of the standout features is the built-in bowl scraper. This allows users to scrape the sides of the bowl while the processor is running, reducing the need to stop and remove the lid. It improves efficiency and helps achieve more consistent results. The stainless steel slicing and shredding disc handles vegetables and cheese effectively, while the chopping blade supports tasks such as mincing garlic, chopping nuts, and preparing purees. The processor is capable of handling both soft and firm ingredients with reliable performance. The wide feed chute reduces the need for pre-cutting larger vegetables, saving preparation time. A simple control dial keeps operation straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. The black and stainless steel design offers a modern appearance that fits well in most kitchen settings. Detachable parts are designed for easier cleaning, and many components are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Ninja Food Processor, Professional Plus, 1000 peak watts, 4 functions for chopping, slicing, purees and dough with 9-cup processor bowl, 3 blades, food chute and pusher, silver, BN601. The Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor BN601 is built for power and versatility, featuring a 1000 peak watt motor designed to handle demanding kitchen tasks. With a 9-cup processor bowl, it provides ample capacity for family meals and batch preparation. The powerful motor supports 4 primary functions: chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough mixing. This makes it suitable not only for vegetables and sauces but also for preparing pizza dough, bread dough, and other thicker mixtures. The included stainless steel precision blades are engineered for consistent results. The chopping blade processes vegetables evenly, while the slicing disc creates uniform slices for salads and meal prep. A dedicated dough blade expands its capabilities for baking enthusiasts. The 9-cup bowl size strikes a balance between capacity and counter space efficiency. It is large enough for substantial portions while still fitting comfortably in most kitchens. The food chute and pusher system allow continuous feeding of ingredients, improving workflow efficiency. The clear bowl design makes it easy to monitor progress during operation. Push-button controls offer preset programs that simplify use. Instead of guessing processing times, users can rely on automatic functions tailored for specific tasks. The silver finish gives it a sleek, professional appearance that complements modern kitchen appliances. Removable parts are designed for convenient cleaning. The Ninja Professional Plus BN601 is well suited for users who want stronger motor power, dough-making capability, and preset functionality for more advanced meal preparation. Number 3. L&K Chef Food Processor Small, 10-cup food chopper with container, 2.3L600W electric meat grinder for home use, stainless steel mini food processor for kitchen, vegetable, onion, garlic, salad. The L&K Chef 10-cup food processor is designed to handle a variety of kitchen prep tasks with a compact yet capable design. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it provides sufficient strength for chopping vegetables, grinding meat, and preparing sauces or fillings. With a 2.3-liter container capacity, it offers enough space for family meal preparation without taking up excessive counter space. The stainless steel bowl adds durability and is resistant to stains and odors, making it particularly useful when processing meat, onions, or garlic. The 600W motor supports tasks such as grinding meat for burgers, chopping vegetables for salads, or preparing ingredients for soups and sauces. Its blade system is designed for consistent chopping results, helping create evenly processed ingredients. The stainless steel construction contributes to long-term durability and a clean, modern kitchen appearance. The compact structure allows for easier storage compared to larger, bulkier processors. Operation is typically straightforward, focusing on essential controls rather than complex presets. This makes it approachable for everyday cooking tasks. Detachable components are designed for easier cleaning after use, especially important when switching between meat and vegetable preparation. The L&K Chef 10-cup processor is best suited for home cooks who want a moderately powerful, durable food chopper capable of handling both vegetables and meat in a compact format. Number 4. Geniza Food Processors, Electric Food Chopper with Meat Grinder and Vegetable Chopper, 2 bowls, 8-cup plus 8-cup, with powerful 450W copper motor, includes 2 sets of bi-level blades for fruits, meat, nuts. The Geniza Food Processor stands out with its dual 8-cup bowl configuration, offering flexibility for different types of ingredients. Including both bowls allows users to separate meat and vegetable preparation, helping maintain hygiene and flavor integrity. Powered by a 450-watt copper motor, this processor delivers consistent performance for chopping fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grinding meat. The copper motor design emphasizes durability and stable operation. The package includes 2 sets of bi-level stainless steel blades. These multi-layer blades are designed to process ingredients evenly by cutting from multiple angles, improving chopping efficiency. The 8-cup capacity in each bowl is suitable for family meal prep, sauces, baby food, and nut chopping. The transparent design of at least one bowl allows users to monitor processing progress. Simple operation controls make it user-friendly, with straightforward speed settings that handle most kitchen tasks without unnecessary complexity. The inclusion of 2 bowls adds convenience for users who frequently prepare a variety of ingredients in the same session. The Geniza processor is ideal for home cooks seeking flexibility, dual bowl convenience, and reliable chopping performance for both meat and produce. Number 5. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor, 24-ounce mini food processor to chop herbs, vegetables, and hard cheese, 24-ounce work bowl, reversible stainless steel blade, DLC2 ABC, brushed chrome. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce food processor is designed for small, precise kitchen tasks rather than large batch processing. Its 24-ounce work bowl makes it ideal for chopping herbs, grinding spices, preparing small dips, or processing small quantities of vegetables. The compact size allows it to sit easily on countertops without occupying much space. It is particularly useful for kitchens where storage space is limited. The reversible stainless steel blade offers dual functionality for chopping and grinding. This makes it suitable for preparing pesto, salsa, breadcrumbs, or finely chopped onions and garlic. Its push-button control system keeps operation simple and intuitive. Instead of multiple complicated settings, it focuses on efficient small-scale processing. The brushed chrome finish gives it a polished appearance that complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Because of its smaller capacity, it is not intended for heavy-duty dough mixing or large food preparation tasks. Instead, it excels at quick, everyday prep work that would be cumbersome with a larger processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus is best suited for individuals or small households needing a compact, reliable tool for quick chopping and small batch food preparation. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best food processors here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these food processors caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.